Last episode, we made the wheels turn, and in this episode, we'll add backlights, back window and sloped front window. Duplicate the body costume and name it to body_backlights and draw the backlights at the back. Now duplicate the body costume for the back windows. Simply put the front window to the back. Now we'll arrange all the costumes related to the body. We'll make the backlights 5 units high. 2 plus 5 is 7. 7 plus 2 is 9. 9 plus 3 is 12. I'll make the back window a little higher. Some parts of the car are dark, but don't worry. Remember when we put shadow when stamping? Go to the part where we do the shadow and code it so that it stamp the shadow only when we input the shadow as 1. Now it's looking great. Do you notice the back window is purpley? That's because the stamping mixes color and the white window got mixed with the blue body, so let's fix it. Simply move the window backwards and it'll be fixed. Now it's white. Now it's time for the slope at the front. Go to costumes and follow these steps. Now I'll code for the slide. The idea is that it stamps from bottom to top and move forward. Every step it moves forward, it reduces its height, making it a slope. Notice that I put in -1 for the slide amount, which will make the slope change y by -1 every step forward, and the slope distance is 8, which means that it will move forward 8 steps. There are some problems with the movement, so put in the go to previous x and y and direction from above, for now. What a mess going on at the front of the car. What's going on? Well, let's fix it. Change the order of the blocks to move forward and lowering the depth down to like this. Now it works. because we have the front window, we can delete the window on the body. I'll make the front part longer. Now it's so cool with the transparent front window illusion, and this would be the end for this episode 4. See you in episode 5 where we'll add cool things like smokes coming out when driving and front lights can shine. Can't wait for that. See you in episode 5 of this amazing 3D car series.